everyone, Namaste. This is Arun here, your yoga and meditation instructor. Join me today for a 5 minutes of chair yoga. So you just need a chair where you can sit comfortably, and we'll be doing 5 minutes of very easy yoga poses. So here we go. Sit comfortably on your chair, shoulder relaxed, back straight. So take a deep breath in and raise your both arms. As you breathe out, take your arms down slowly. Again, take a deep breath in. Raise both arms up. As you exhale, take your arm down. Again, take a deep breath in. This time, clasp your hands and palm facing the ceiling and just raise it up as much as high you can go comfortably. And as you breathe out, bring your arms down. Now take your arms behind, clasp your hands like this. And when you clasp your hand from behind, as you breathe in, expand your chest. And as you breathe out, just bend forward slowly and comfortably. Be there for a couple of breaths. As you breathe in, come up. As you breathe out, relax your hand, release. Now take your arms on your shoulder and we'll do some shoulder rotation like this. 3 times clockwise, 3 times counterclockwise. Now reverse the direction. Like this, keep inhaling, normal breath in and out. Relax. Now we'll do some neck rotation. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, chin to the chest. Start the rotation. You can close your eyes. 3 round clockwise. 3 round counterclockwise. Half circle, you are breathing in. Reverse the direction, half circle, breathing in. As you breathe out, you complete the circle. Slowly and comfortably, you are rotating your neck. And relax. Now we are going to pull our ears like this. Pull your ears from top to bottom like this. Middle, top. Yes, you're pulling ears. Very nice. Now take your arms to the side like this. And you're pulling fingers towards you. Yeah, like that. You're pushing the wall on both the sides. Yes. Pull the fingers towards you. Very nice. Like this. Now arms to the front. Fingers like this. And then put your fingers up and down like this. Yes. Very nice. Now make a fist. Rotate your ankle. This. Reverse. Very nice. Now take your left hand on your right thigh and twist towards your right side. Look towards your right shoulder. Yes. As you breathe out, come to the center. The same way other side. Left hand, right hand now on your left thigh. Right hand back. Left hand back, sorry. Now twist to the left. Right hand on your left thigh. And you're twisting to the left. Look over your left shoulder. Very nice. as you breathe out, come to the center. Now we'll do like this ankle rotation, like this. Yes. Lift your right leg and you rotate your ankle. Now lift your left leg and you are rotating your left ankle. Reverse the direction. Relax. Now raise your right hand like this, bend to the left little bit and look towards your right palm. And slowly come up. Put your right hand down. Now raise your left hand. Bend towards your right side and look towards your left palm. Relax. Now close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Couple of deep breaths in and out. Eyes closed. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Feel the silence. Feel the calmness in your mind. Normal breath in and out. And as you breathe out, slowly and steadily, you can open your eyes. Namaste and have a good day. Thanks all. See you again.